Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we'll be writing a program with structure variables. We need to define a structure length to hold length as two variables, that is feet and inches. So feet and inches will be structure members. Write a program to add two lengths using above structure variables. So what is basically needed is like this. We'll have two lengths given as feet and inches. Take an example 5 feet 7 inches, and the other pair is, let's say, anything like 6 feet 10 inches. We need to add these two things together to make another pair of feet and inches. How we can add this is like this. We'll first add the inches, that is 17, then add the feet, that will give me 11. But now the problem is that 17 cannot be inches because 12 inches makes 1 feet. So we need to adjust this. So we'll cut 12 from this, which will make it 5, and we'll put that one over here in the feet part, so it will become 12 feet 5 inches. Now that is what we need to do with our structure variables. Let's see how to do this. To begin with, we'll start with the program. #include commands. Then we have defined the structure length over here with two members, ft and in, that is feet and inches. And then we define three variables of type structure length. So a, b and c are of type structure length. I'm just drawing them for demonstration. A variable has feet inches, b variable again will have feet and inches, and even c variable has feet and inches. So there are three structure variables defined. Obviously no values inside the structure currently. As the program goes forward, we'll input the values into the structures and add them and display the answer. Okay, so next step would be we need to input the values. We'll give a message, enter feet and inches, and input values for a dot feet and a dot inches. Take an example, inputs were 5 feet 7 inches. Again another message, printf enter feet and inches. Input values for b dot feet and b dot inches. The inputs are suppose 6 feet and 8 inches. Now these two values we need to add into C, which is an empty structure. Okay, now to do this, we have to add the inches of a and b put into C, add the feet of a and b and put into C. Now for that we are doing like this. C dot feet is equal to, that is this will get a value a dot feet plus b dot feet. A dot feet and b dot feet added to store into c dot feet, it will be 11, and a dot inches b dot inches added to get value into c dot inches. So it will be 7 and 8, a dot inch b dot inch added to get value c dot inch. Okay, so we got the sum, but the sum is not proper according to measurement system, so we need to adjust it. How to adjust it? If the inches go beyond or equal to 12, then we need to adjust the feet also. We need to subtract 12 from inches and increment feet by 1. So 11 feet 15 inches is actually 12 feet 3 inches. That we have to adjust. To adjust that, we need to check whether inches in C is greater than 12. So we have to know here, if c dot inches is greater than or equal to 12, then we need to adjust, otherwise need not adjust it. Since in our case it is greater than that, we will make c dot inches equal to c dot inches minus 12. So this will become 3, and c dot feet will increment by 1, so this will become 12. So C has now 12 and 3 as two values. After if is finished, it will output c dot feet as 12 and c dot inches as 3. So message will be sum is equal to 12, 3, that is 12 feet 3 inches. So we are just grouping the variables together under structure name, then we are inputting them, then we are doing some operation with them. If required, we are doing some if-else statements to adjust the values, and then finally we are outputting the values. So syntaxes otherwise are similar what we have done with all the previous programs, printf, scanf, inputs, if-else, almost same, only you have to use a notation structure name dot member name. So first we need to define a structure of required type with required variables, then define the variables of type structure, then do the inputs, outputs and calculations. So by this example, I think it is very clear how to use structures and what is use of structure. We use structure to hold multiple things together which are of same type or which are used for same purpose. Thank you.